Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you Canva AI code generator. So Canva also has a AI generator tool where you can actually generate any sort of things. So it can be a source code as well. So if you just write here Canva AI code generator on Google, the very first application which comes, this is by Canva right here, AI code generator. So similar to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, they do have their own AI code generator. So simply click code for me and write inside the prompt here, you will write what sort of application you want to generate. So you'll simply say build a scientific calculator with a premium looking UI in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also run the app. So we simply write the prompt here, and based upon the prompt it will try to write the code for you. So as you can see, it will start writing the code. So it will tell you the exact number of lines which are generated. So the speed is also very good, and you can just try this for completely free. So there is no kind of restriction which is there to actually you need to pay something. It's completely free. Just log in with your Google account, and it's completely free to try. You can simply generate apps instantly using this Canva AI code generator. And you can even ask follow-up questions as well if any sort of error take place. So, so once it finishes, it will show you the app here. So I personally like the speed as well because of generating the code here. Some AI tools generate code at a very low pace, but this Canva AI code is generator is generating code at a very high pace. So now it generated this instantly scientific calculator. This is your standard calculator, and this is your scientific calculator with all these options which are there. Sine, alpha, you can also try this. You can see that this is your standard calculator with a premium looking user interface. As you can see guys, it can generate any sort of application and also run the application instantly in the editor itself, and you can toggle the toe, and this is his. Click the copy to clipboard button as well. So there is, if you want to copy the code, simply copy and just paste it in the file in VS Code or whichever editor you are using, and simply run this locally as well. So it's very simple guys to actually create applications with this Canva AI code generator. Recently I figured it out. They also have their own AI code generator, and similarly you can actually make any sort of application instantly. It will show you the live preview as well. So definitely try this. You can even have a voice feature as well. So you can also chat using your own voice rather than typing it. You can simply toggle this. You can just allow the permission. Great stuff. Just build another version of this calculator with another premium looking user interface. So as you can see, I'm not typing. So just stop this and simply enter. So you basically just speak using your microphone, and then automatically the AI will start generating another version of this calculator with another user interface. So definitely check out this Canva AI code generator, guys. You can easily make applications, deploy them as well. So it's a great alternative to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.